Generator expressions. While list comprehensions build lists immediately in memory, generator expression use lazy evaluation, calculating values only when requested. Simply swaps square brackets for parentheses. Look at the code. Okay, the list comprehension, the generator expression. Okay, the output like this. And let's run, as you can see. Okay. Repeater. The output like this. As you can see. Okay. The pipeline pattern, lazy chaining. You can chain multiple generator expressions together to process data step by step. No actual calculations occur until you consume the final generator, making this incredibly memory efficient. Look at the code. Step 1. And step 2. Okay, step 2. Excuse me. Okay. And step 3. Okay. Let's print and output like this. Okay, let's run, as you can see. Okay. Number 2, creating custom iterator with classes. For complex state management, you can build an iterator class. Your class must implement the iterator protocol. iter initiates the loop, returns self. __next fetches the next value or raises a stop iteration to stop the loop. Look at the code. Self current equal start, self stop equal stop, and then, excuse me, okay, return self. Okay, next, excuse me, and then return result. Okay, print val, and output like this. Let's run, and as you can see, look at the code. Okay. Number 4, the ultimate trade-off, memory versus speed. Memory benchmark. Generators use almost zero RAM because they don't store values. Look at the code. Imports. First import. Okay. Then 1,000,000 squared numbers. And print the output like this, and print the output like this, run like this, and like this. Okay, as you can see, a speed benchmark. Lists are faster because they are optimized in C. Generators run slower due to the overhead of calling underscore underscore next underscore underscore for every single element. Look at the code. First, import cProfile. Okay, then print cProfile.run, then print, and then cProfile.run again. Okay, let's run. As you can see, 0.098 seconds in list. Generator 0.201 seconds. Okay. Summary. In memory in list, high growth with dataset size. Memory in generator, low constant O1. Speed in list, faster C-level optimization. Speed in generator, a slower function called overhead. Best for in list, a small data indexing, reusing values. Best for in generator, gigantic datasets, log streams, infinite sequence. Okay, subscribe for more Python tips.